Hi, I'm Megan Smith. I'm the United States Chief Technology Officer, and I want to thank everybody who's come together in Texas today for the conference on suicide prevention. The president was in Texas for the South by Southwest events, and one of the things he was talking about for our greatest challenges, how do we use some of the new methods that we can, bringing people together, open data, all this stuff to really solve some of our greatest challenges. Certainly, mental well-being, suicide prevention, the health of our families, our communities, and all of our citizens is a big part of something that we really want to work on together and accelerate. And your coming together is a big part of that. As the U.S. Chief Technology Officer, our job is to harness the power of data, innovation, and technology on behalf of the American people and really help teams do that. There's a lot of new tools in addition to the oldest of, tools that we can use here. Certainly open data on data.gov and other resources that city, state, and local folks have put out would be helpful here. Also new things like this is a guide from the VA team really looking at design thinking, journeys of users. What is the experience that our colleagues are having, that people are having, and how can we better understand that in a specific way so that we can help debug the problems that exist for them and really help people in the various moments along the journey that they're taking. Who are the colleagues in the room with all of you who you might not have realized should be right in on your team, whether they're tech folks, folks from the medical sector who really understand this from a disease and design area, people, youth, others who face these challenges. Getting together in cross-functional teams is really important. So I just want to thank everybody on behalf of the President and all of our fellow citizens for coming together on this important issue together. You're part of a great series of events like this, where people are really doing the work that needs to get done, whether it was last December with the mental health hackathons that happened in 5 different cities. I know the Veteran Affairs folks will be hosting people here in DC on September 10th for a hackathon around these challenges, and we will in DC host a national conversation on open data innovation at a summit on the 28th of September, where these issues will be part of that and ongoing. So I look forward to hearing what you come up with. Really encourage people to really listen to people who you don't normally get to meet, who have gathered, and especially to those who have already on a track of solving things. How could we listen better to that, what's working regionally, and accelerate those things across the nation very quickly by collaborating together, as well as notice what's not working, where can we pile on in cross-functional ways to bring new ways of doing things to try to solve things faster and really help each other. So thank you again for your time, and I look forward to hearing what happens.